Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how you can change currency in Stake app. To do that, first go to your Stake app and log in. Then click on this profile icon on the right bottom corner and go to settings and click on currency. Press continue. Here you can see our currency is currently set to dirham. We can change it to whatever we like. I will change it to USD. Simply click on that. And here you can see your currency is changed. Go back and go to wallet option. Here you can see on the top right corner our currency is changed to USD, and this is how you can change your currency in Stake. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in our next video.